In today's video, I'm going to give you a lot more information about something called Paleo diet. You will learn what are the health benefits, what is the process or how to experience this Paleo diet, what food you should eat, what food you should avoid, and many other aspects of this Paleo diet you will learn in today's video. Welcome to our guide of Paleo diet. In the recent years, our eating habits have changed dramatically, with many people opting for the processed food over the fresh fruits and the vegetables due to their busy lifestyles. The Paleo diet offers a return to our ancestor eating, focusing on the whole unprocessed food for the better health and the well-being. Why choose Paleo diet? For lowering blood sugar levels to reducing inflammation, the Paleo diet offers several health benefits. With its high protein and healthy fat content, it is considered one of the best diets for the weight loss. Many followers find it easy and effective way to improve overall health, and this is one of the best diet that we know right now. But you need to focus how this is this kind of diet. What is Paleo diet? The concept is simple. Eat only food that our hunter-gatherer ancestors consumed thousands of years ago. That means eliminating processed food, refined grains, and cereal while focusing on the fruit, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and other high-quality meats. By avoiding modern processed food, the Paleo diet aims to reduce chronic diseases and promote better overall health. However, it is remained controversial topic among nutritional experts, mainly due to exclusion of legumes in the diet, which contains essential nutrients. And when we think about it, this evolution of Paleo diet is going to a while back. The idea of eating like our ancestor was first introduced in 1975 by gastroenterologist Walter Wertling in the book The Stone Age Diet. Researchers Melvin Conner and Stanley Boyd Eaton later published a paper of the Paleo diet in the New England Journal of Medicine, giving it further credibility. However, it wasn't until Dr. Lauren Cordain's book, The Paleo Diet, was published in 2002, the diet gained mainstream popularity. Maybe in the 2013, this diet become maybe the #1 diet that people practicing in this dietary, nutritional, healthy way of living, and people are used to get to this diet. Type of Paleo diets. There are several variations of Paleo diet, each with own guidelines. First is standard Paleo diet. Follows all traditional Paleo principles by eliminating grains, legumes, and processed food in the favor of the whole nutrient-dense food. Second is autoimmune Paleo diet, or AIP, designed for those with autoimmune conditions. This diet eliminates inflammatory foods and slowly reintroducing to the indefinitely triggers. 80-20 Paleo diet allows 80% adherence to Paleo while permitting 20% flexibility to non-Paleo foods. Pegan diet, a mix of Paleo and vegan principles, emphasizing plant-based food while limiting animal products. Primal diet, similar to Paleo but allows raw fat dairy, legumes, and the fermented soy products. And what you can experience if you start practicing Paleo diet, the first one is going to be of course weight loss. One of the also health benefits is going to be reducing inflammation in your joints, especially if you're one of the person that you have like knee arthritis, hip arthritis, problem with your back problems, or rheumatoid arthritis in your hand. This Paleo diet can help you. Also essential is for the muscle growth, tissue repair, and the overall health. Paleo emphasizes high-quality protein sources like grass-fed beef, chicken, and fish. And hence, satiety, the high protein and the healthy fat concept keep you feeling full for the longer, reducing cravings and the overeating. Correct nutrient deficiency. By focusing on the whole foods, the diet helps replenish essential vitamins and minerals. Also, you must think about it like this. Probably when you're on a paleo diet, you will reduce the risk of diabetes type 2. That is one of the most important and one of the worst diseases of modern world. Also, probably you will have better heart health and reducing risk on blood clots, high blood pressure. Usually this kind of diet is going to help you a lot. A beginner's guide to paleo diet. Want to start paleo diet? Here's how. Plan your meals. A 30-day meals plan can help determine if paleo suits your lifestyle and the goals. Shop smart. Bring a list of paleo-approved foods and choose organic, unprocessed options when it's possible. Cook at home. Preparing your own meals gives you greater control of ingredients and nutrition. Avoid processed food. Keep junk food out of your kitchen to reduce temptation and listen to your body. Eat when you are hungry and adjust your portion based on your goals. And this is in the short couple information what can help you with this paleo diet. At the end of the show, I'm gonna give you simple meal plan for this paleo diet. Day 1 breakfast, scrambled eggs with a fruit salad. Lunch, Moshu chicken lettuce wraps. Dinner, grilled salmon with the broccoli. Day 2 breakfast, grain-free oatmeal. Lunch, grass-fed beef stir-fry with mixed vegetables. Dinner, chicken, avocado, tomato, spinach and the almond salads. Day 3 breakfast, veggie omelette. Lunch, fish tacos with cauliflower rice, tomatoes, avocado and lettuce. Dinner, Mediterranean grilled lamb chops with a sweet potato veggies. This is like short what can you eat, but also it's very important what food you can eat and what food you should avoid. Paleo approved foods, it's the meat and the seafoods, like grass-fed beef, lamb, wild-caught fish, free-range poultry. Fruits and the vegetables like apples, berries, spinach, carrots, kale and the cucumbers. Nuts and seeds like almonds, chia shows, walnuts, chia seeds and the flax seeds. Healthy oils like olive oil, coconut oil and the avocado oil. Spices and herb like turmeric, cumin, basil, oregano and the rosemary. Foods to avoid in the paleo is legumes and the beans, dairy products, refined sugar. Vegetable oils, processed and the junk foods, white potatoes, grains in the cereal, sugary and caffeinated drinks, eating out on the paleo diet. And this is also very important what in here. This is of course the short version of what you can eat, what you should avoid. Anything about this diet and much more you can find it on my channel on the internet, but this is for this today's show in the short what paleo diet is for everyone who are interested. For the last 25 years after I finished college, I'm working with the patient from all around the world. My specialty is natural remedies, nutrition and physical therapy and rehabilitation. Every year I help thousands of people from all around the world. If you want to know how you can cure your diseases through natural remedies and a healthy lifestyle, call my office, MarioLab Center in Croatia at +385 98 917 9200. Feel free to contact us through Viber, WhatsApp or visit my website MarioLab.hr, where you can find many more information about my work and how I can help you. I have put my knowledge of natural remedies and nutrition in my 3 books. My 3 books is about nutrition. First one is Intermittent Fasting, The Secrets of Health and Longevity, and next 2 are about nutrition and the natural remedies that can help you a lot. The books are also available on English language on my website MarioLab.hr. All information you have all below the video. My help is available to all of you from all all around the world. If you are from North or South America, Africa, Asia, the Middle East, Australia or Europe, take advantage of my private phone consultation. Call my MarioLab center right now, make an appointment, and I will make sure for you to get better in natural way with any kind of side effects, as I've been doing for the last 25 years.